Really? Oh my gosh. What? Really? No. Really? No. Sit. What? Really? You're not getting these hot dogs. I'm eating because I'm working on an assignment. Do you not understand the word assignment? I have to eat. But even though, of course, basically, even though you're my dog, doesn't mean you get to eat off of the same plate, so... Oh my gosh, you think you, just because you're being adorable that you're gonna get this hot dog? Is that what you think? Is that what you think? It's not on the chair anymore, it's in my hand since you keep trying to get it. Oh my god. What? Okay, how can I say? I'm gonna say no to that face this time. But just because me and my mom give you hot dogs every time I eat hot dogs doesn't mean you get hot dogs every single time. Oh, now you're giving me the silent treatment. Thank you for giving me the silent treatment. Thanks. I'm sorry, baby, but seriously, it's just not happening.